You can embed HiTeach interactive commands directly into your familiar PowerPoint presentation files. When you display a slide that contains an embedded command during class, the corresponding HiTeach interactive function will automatically activate, making your lesson delivery much more convenient. We will use Sample File B02 as an example to show you how to embed these interactive commands. First, open Sample File B02 in whiteboard mode. Click the Extern Open button to launch the file externally, and then switch back to whiteboard mode. Select PPT Setting Tool from the HiTeach menu to open the Settings window. Select the page where you want to set the interactive command. Choose the interaction type, for example, single answer, cloze, or subjective. You can then set parameters like the score for a correct answer, the time limit, the number of options, and the correct answer. The embedded instructions are automatically saved in the presentation's notes field. Please do not modify or add content to this notes field. Click the Clear button to remove the command if needed. Sample File B02 already has commands set up. Page 2 is a single answer question. Page 3 is multiple answer. Page 4 is true or false. Page 5 is a cloze question. Page 6 is a toss-up question. And pages 7 to 9 are various task types: picture, audio, and file. Once the embedded commands are set, click the Save button. These embedded commands will be saved directly into the PPT file. The next video segment will demonstrate how to apply these in the classroom. This ability to integrate commands into your PPT files is a powerful HiTeach feature. In a later chapter, we will show you how to embed AI prompts to create AI digital textbooks.